Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Design Cafe Homes. I'm your interior architect Ananya Jois, and today we're here at this beautiful, elegant apartment that we designed for our client, Mr. Harsh, in Bangalore. Now, everything in this house is in perfect harmony and balance, be it the colors, the plenty of natural sunlight, or even just the overall ambience. If you're new to our channel, quickly hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our videos, and let's go inside.
The statue of Buddha can induce a feeling of relaxation. Including greenery around not only brings an earthy ambience but also helps cool down the temperature of the place, which is why the ample area under the staircase here has been utilized to accommodate a small sculpture and a storage unit, making it functional and aesthetically appealing. Living room in this house creates a welcoming atmosphere with plenty of comfortable seating, vibrant colors done in elegant modern style. Now hit like if you agree with me that this is the kind of living room you would be glad to show it off to one and all. The design of a modern living room revolves around the principle of less is more. Therefore, the overall decor had to incorporate minimum and functional furniture to create a fuss-free space.
A pop of color here and there totally makes this living much livelier. Also, did you notice the glass window ceiling? All that natural light gushing in makes all the more difference to the living room. Well, moving on to the kitchen. If you're Monica from Friends, you'll totally love this kitchen, just because it's so organized and clutter-free. Also, if you're looking for organization tips for your modular kitchen, the link is right here. Go ahead, take a look.
Integrating appliances and services such as refrigerators, bins and undermount range hoods create a more streamlined and uniform aesthetic. Now, if space allows, a butler's pantry will also keep the kitchen less cluttered. So, storage is the key to avoiding clutter. Storage systems such as racks, trays and organizers help keeping drawers and cupboards in order. It's just amazing to dine with a view like this, isn't it? Contrary to being a hidden space relegated to one end of the home, an open kitchen blends with the interior design of the living area. It is meant to showcase the same elements of style and design similar to the rest of the house. Sometimes an open kitchen can even be designed in sync with the outdoor areas of a home to allow for entertaining and alfresco dining. Overall, the idea behind an open kitchen is to invite openness to proudly display the design or modern engineering of your kitchen. Also to include the family or guests in food preparation, and hit like if you think the essence of all this has been perfectly translated into reality in this beautiful dining space. A bedroom is a very personal space, more so than any other room in your home, and the room decoration should be a reflection of the person who sleeps there. Here we have used bold patterns on the wall to keep things interesting and made sure even a very simple bedroom got a bit of a visual interest to keep it from becoming boring or cold. Now, a cool shade like teal can look stunning as a background for artworks. The vibrant color holds the energy of the room, and the key was not to overpower the teal with too many added colors. Hence, deciding to go with teal and white worked out very well, and the energy created in the room keeps you active yet mentally peaceful at all times.
Well, wasn't that a breath of fresh air? The contrast of warm and cool with yellow and teal brings so much life to the whole house. And hey, don't forget to let me know which was your most favorite part of the house. And if you want some of this magic done to your house as well, just go to the description box below and you can get a form that you can fill, and one of our expert designers will get in touch with you. Until next time, see you all.